I don't want to see a trash can in our kitchen, so our trash can is hidden in the kitchen cabinetry. When I pull this out, I get access to 2 trash cans, which I love so much, and it is easy to pull out and easy to slide in, and it is exceptionally strong. I can put a lot of weight on this, and it's not going anywhere, and it can stay out like this forever if you want to, if you're cooking and cleaning and need access to both trash cans. Now, we prefer 2 cans because we use one for trash, and this one is actually recycling. We put all our cans and bottles in here and then sort it afterwards. And these cans are so easy to pull out. You just slide them right out and change the bag. Basic plastic trash bins. And when you pull it all out, this is what you see. This piece is very solid wood. It is very well secured in to the drawer pulls. If you really wanted to, you could pop the whole thing apart if you needed to fix it, but there's no real reason to ever pull this out. It is an exceptionally sturdy piece. Let me show you how it's connected on the inside. On the cabinet itself, it's just drilled in. Be sure to pre-drill before you put in these screws so you don't risk damaging your cabinet front. So there's nothing on the front. It is then connected in here. It's put on plywood so it would stick in correctly. So it just is on one big plywood board here and then it's just put in. It's basically just a drawer pull, very simple, very straightforward, but exceptionally strong and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And as you can see here, if there was ever a problem, which I don't see why there ever would be, I could pop this whole thing out and this would all come out and I could replace it or rework it. But that's really only there for when you're installing this because there's no reason to ever take this out. The top is wood. It's all solid, really easy to work with. It comes with the trash cans, but if you don't like those, if you want to change the color, something happens to a trash can, you can always get new cans for it. If you want to go stainless steel, if you want to go black, whatever you want to do to make this look good in your kitchen, that is up to you. Now, clearly there is some damage that has happened over the years because this is such a highly used cabinet, but that's on us, and that has nothing to do with the quality and durability of this excellent pullout. That, thanks to it, keeps all of our trash well hidden and keeps our kitchen looking streamlined and beautiful. For the most part, we only pull it out this much because that's the one we usually get to. But then when we have recycling, we pull it out a little further for our recycling bin. I cannot recommend this enough. It is an incredible addition to your kitchen.